Hello, I'm Saif Ahmed and I'm going to solve this differential equation. The first rule in solving any differential equation is to separate the y and the x. So let's do it now. dy over square root of y equals 4 ln x over x dx. Now we'll integrate this side and this side. The integration of 1 over square root of y is 2 square root of y. We know this by fast track. And the integration of 4 ln x over x is ln x squared over 2. We divide by the power and right before also. We'll divide by the power. And of course we should add the constant c. Now we'll divide this 2 here and this 2. We'll get square root of y equals 4 ln x squared over 4 plus c. This 4 will cancel this one and we'll stay with square root of y equals ln x squared plus c. Let's use the initial values to find c. Y equals 1, square root of 1 equals ln e squared plus c. So it will be 1 equals 1 plus c, which gives us c equals 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So our final equation will be y equals ln x squared. Let's square this one and this one. We'll get y equals ln x to the power 4.
This objective, which is solving differential equations, we will solve differential equations. Differential equations and how to solve them. The first step should be separation. We need to find if the function is separable or not. If it is separable, then such as in this case, then bring x to one side and y to another side. So in this case it will be what? Dy over y is equal to x dx. Then integrate both sides, and by integrating both sides, here we are seeing that this side of integration is equal to ln y, which is and this side it is the integration of x, which is by using power rule we know that x squared. We increase the exponent, then we divide by the increased exponent, which is 2 plus c. Now we must take e for both sides, so it is e to the power of ln y. So it will cancel, be only y. So it will be y is equal to e to the power of x squared divided by 2 plus c. Since we know that c is a constant, we can just write it like this: y is equal to e to the power of x squared divided by 2 times e to the power of c. So y is equal to c times e to the power of x squared divided by 2. And this is how we solve differential equations by steps.
Okay, now we have an example of solving differential equations. How to solve differential equations? First thing, you have to see the equation or what do you have that is separable or not. To have the y, the all y in the left and all y or all x's in the right. Okay, now and if you have y and x, you to get the particular solution, to get the number of c. Now, okay, the first thing you have to check if it is separable or not. Okay, now do dy here we have the y, we get it there by dividing now y equals to 4 ln x dx. Okay, now we see that it is separable. We now we solve it. Here we integration and here integration. Okay, here we know that 1 over any function. Okay, again we see that here we make a mistake. Okay, there is not a big deal. Okay, we come again here after the step when we see that it is separable. Okay, we do now integration here. 2 square root of y equal 4 ln x squared over 2, okay, over 2 plus c after the integration here from here. We divide by 2 and here will be multiply by 2, so will be here square root of y equal ln x squared plus c. Now we substitute the values here, 1 and e. Here is square root of 1 equal ln e squared plus c. Here 1 and here 1 plus c. C will be 0. Okay, here the 0. We come again. Here y equal ln x squared, and we squared again here, and here we squared again. Cancel this by this, will be y equal ln x 4. This is the answer.
Differential equation. This question is very easy. They give us the steps of finding a differential equation, and we have to find which one has the error. From this equation, we know that you should make separation and integration and then substitute the y and x to find the c. First, the first step, separation, correct, it's done correctly. And here. Step 2, to make the integration, we know that 1 over y is done. And then here add 1 to the power divided by the number. So this is also correct. Absolute value of u, e power x squared plus over 2 plus c. That's wrong. It should be e x squared over 2 plus c, which can then also give us e x squared over 2 plus times e power c. So this step is wrong, and let's find if there's also another step that's wrong. This one, since this is the only mistake and then we have no choice that shows 2 steps or more than 1 step, it's error, only singular. So step 3 is the one with mistake, which is choice B.
I will solve question number 10 from the system-wide quiz multiple choice. It's about solving differential equations. We will see which of the following steps have an error. So it is dy over dx equal to x over y. So it will be take dy and we'll put y down equal to x times dx. Then we will take the integration for both. This means that step 1 is right, and the integration of dy over y is ln y equal to the integration of x is x square over 2 plus c. This means that step number 2 is right. Then we will put E, and we'll put E here and E here. So E will cancel with ln, so it will become y equal to E to the power x square over 2 plus c. So step 3 had error because plus c should be in the power.
Another objective, solving differential equations. Question 19 from the system-wide quiz paper. dy over dx equals to 2x ln x. The integration is x squared ln x minus x squared over 2 plus c. Then we substitute the values given to us by the question to get c. We got c, which equals to 3.5. Then we just write the full equation by adding the number by c. Y equals to x squared ln x minus x squared over 2 plus 3.5.